Got her. She's heading north towards the metro station. She's eastbound to the 10-quarter mall. There she is.
All teams southbound toward the bridge. Box her in.
Don't shoot! I'm innocent!
On the ground! No!
Don't, no!
Salt! Down! On the ground!
I have to find my husband!
Why'd you run?
I have to find my husband!
Not a reason!
Please, don't shoot!
Stay back!
Last chance!
I'm innocent! Somebody is setting me up!
Don't make me put you down, Salt.
Put the goddamn gun down!
Give yourself up, now!
Come on, Ev.
No!
What he says.
On the ground!
We'll sort this out, I promise.
I gotta bring you in, Salt. It's over, face down.
Somebody's going to try to kill the Russian president. You know that! Do something about that!
Come in and tell us
That's
what
what
you
you should
know.
be worried about.
There's nowhere to run. Quit now!
No, I didn't do anything.
Come on! No! She's on a blue semi, Route 1, heading north. Get a roadblock in place now. There she is. On the tank. Stop. Stop. My friend, I've got a mole in your group.
We don't know that yet.
I'd say she's a trained goddamn liar, and everything she's set up until now has been to protect her cover.
Well, why don't you tell me how you really feel about it?
Ted, I know you're our friend. But we've got to drop a net on New York. We got to do it now.
Notify the Secret Service on Matveev's detail. Tell them Salt might be coming their way. If she is, Orlov may not be far behind either.
You seen this?
Salt spent time in Russia as a kid. She was in a car accident with her parents in '88. They both died.
There were teachers at the U.S. Embassy for the American children and the staff there. That's why we put her on Russia in the first place.
We need to get on a plane to New York tonight.